All right, guys, it is time for 2020 Donruss Elite Tmall Asia Hobby Box. So this was a break that we had listed on our website, tennskinbreaks.com. So you've got a random division break. You've got 30 cards in each box, 5 cards in each pack, 6 packs altogether. So you can find the exclusive status, die-cut red parallels, and it's the 2020, so you've got all the QB draft class there. Burrow, Tua, Herbert, Jalen Hurts, all those guys like Justin Jefferson. So we've got Donnie with 1 spot, Mike M with 1, Brent's got 3 spots, Christopher M with 1, and then Danny with 2. So appreciate you guys helping us fill up the break. Oh my gosh, come on. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize our divisions. All right, we'll randomize this 5 times. All right, guys, 1 division per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times, match them up. All right, here are your divisions. Brent's got the NFC South, the NFC West, and then you've got the AFC North with Burrow. Chris, you've got the AFC South. Danny's got the NFC North and the AFC East. Donnie's got the NFC East. And then Mike, you've got the AFC West. All right, so all right, guys, good luck. Let's see if we can pull some nice low number parallels out of here. All right, 6 packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go. All right, all cards will ship. There's a Stephon Gilmore to $3.99. Von Miller, there's a Mahomes. Nice one there on the Chase Young. That'll be going out to the Commanders or NFC East. Stidham and a Zadarius Smith. All right, come on. Where's our quarterbacks? All right, here goes some color here. All right, nice Josh Allen to 99. It's a cool one there. Big Ben and Zeke. Watt, Jared Goff. There's a Brady. Another Josh Allen, Kenny Galladay. 2 packs left. Come on. Where are these rookie quarterbacks at? Renfro, George Kittle. All right, we got a quarterback. It's a freaking Ben DiNucci to $3.99. Going out to Dallas. Nick Chubb, Alvin Kamara. Come on. Last pack. All right, Trubisky, Brown. There's a Jerry Jeudy, rookie elitist. Derrick Henry and Van Der Esch. Come on, man. All right, well, we did pull a Josh Allen to 99, so that was pretty nice. So those big rookie quarterbacks eluded us out of that box. But we'll get everything loaded up and in the mail to you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you helping close out this break. Let's do an extra card giveaway. Got a extra Mahomes. All right, got a Patrick Mahomes. What is that? Illusions. Shining Stars. Little Ace Tate card. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the guys in this one. Name at the top after 5 is going to get it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to Chris. All right, Chris, we'll put that Mahomes in the mail to you. All right, guys, appreciate you joining us on this one.